Theoretical physics, the glamorous world of big ideas, bigger egos, and really small particles. But what do these geniuses actually do all day? Let's uncover the truth, and brace yourself. It's not what you think. First, they spend half their time writing equations, and the other half fixing typos in those equations. Turns out even geniuses can't spell Schrödinger on the first try. Most of their day is spent thinking about the universe, thinking about particles, thinking about why they chose this career when they could have been investment bankers.
Maybe if I multiply by Planck's constant, or just order pizza.
Sometimes they do come up with brilliant ideas, like what if we could explain black holes? But instead of actually observing black holes, they sit down and say, let's solve it with math. Because nothing screams practical like math that takes 3 days just to understand the first line. These debates can go on for hours. Or sushi? Should we order pizza? Is it a particle? Is it a wave? About everything. Which means they argue a lot. Collaboration is key in theoretical physics.
I know it's a wave.
Prove it. You prove it.
And this is why their lunch breaks are 4 hours long. Eventually, they share their findings with the world. Usually in the form of papers with snazzy titles like, light reading for your next beach trip.
Is this in English? I think it's Klingon.
So, what do theoretical physicists do? They think big, argue even bigger, and occasionally rewrite the universe on a napkin. And while their work might seem mysterious or downright confusing, one thing's for sure. Without them, science wouldn't be half as cool or weird.
It's not rocket science. Oh wait, sometimes it is.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nerdy fun.